Welcome back to our series of videos on programming using Visual Basic. In this video, we're going to look at simple error trapping, and we are going to explore the use of try, catch, finally in programs to stop them crashing. So, simple error trapping, programs should never crash. The best way to deal with runtime errors is to trap them with an error handler. This is a section of code that handles those errors that occur, and these are often runtime errors are referred to as exceptions. An error handler uses try, catch, finally, code block. So this is what to do. Let's have a quick look. I am going to create a new app, and I am going to call this simple error trapping. And in this case, I am going to create a button and add an image, a picture box onto our thing. So we're going to put a button and we're going to add a picture box. Let's just make this bigger. Let's just go down here and make this smaller like there. And let's just add that there, add that there. Let's just make that a bit smaller. There we go. Okay, so I've got this here. And we're going to rename the button. So we're going to call this as btn change, and then we're going to go over to this one, the picture box. We're going to call this pick photo, and the next part we need to add some coding into this. So I'm going to go into our button. In fact, let's change the text here because I don't like it being that. We're going to say load picture, like so. It should. Okay, we've got that perfect. So in terms of this now, we've already got the private sub there, which is great. And it has all the parts. All we need to do is say pick photo dot image. And we've got an error here, so we can just take that. So pick photo dot image equals system dot drawing dot bitmap. So we're looking for bitmap here. Dot from file, and I need my file location in speech marks, and I've saved the file location here, so I'm going to just copy that and paste that into here. Okay, in fact, this is when I click the button, so let's just play that. Let's see if this works. Simple error, click, there we go. Bart Simpson shows, which is great. Let's just go back to our form here. We click on the button. We need to add our picture in here. So we need to add our picture. So when we go down here, we need to find, there we are, image. And I need to find a, so if I import an image in, Bart, press OK, there we go, we've got Bart in there. And then when I double click, I want to change it to Homer, like so. Press play, and it changes. Okay, so that's good. Okay, that's fine. What happens though is if I accidentally, let's say, put a lowercase h there, okay, and I press play it loads fine with bar. Click this. Oh, it still recognizes it. Let's try it with a 1 under it. Play. Add. Load. And there we go. We have an error occur. So we don't want this to happen. We want to trap it. We want to catch this error. Okay, we want to stop it from doing this error. So the way that we want to do this is we need to use something called try catch. So we want to use try, which is the first one. So we're going to try this link here. Then we're going to say, very simple, is catch it. I'm going to stop there for a minute. There we go. I'm going to say catch it. So for example, catch as an exception. And then we're going to say end try. But let's just remove that for a bit. Try catch X as exception. Inside here, we want to then put a message box. So if it's an error, it'll come up with something. Okay, so message box will appear, and which will then say that file does not exist. Okay. Just go back over here. I've accidentally got rid of the other speech mark. That's why. There we go. And then finally, we will then end try. Okay. So if I run it this time, load the picture, a message will say that file does not exist. Press OK. It doesn't crash it. Okay. If I put the right spelling of this file in, like there, and run it, it will run normally and the picture will change. Okay. Very simple way of catching that file. So have a go yourself and see how it works.